really in the nature here. So pretty neat. You can see how it is very heavily wooded. It's hillside, so it's above the park. We are located geographically between Sligo Creek Parkway and Hartwell Road, centered around Bradford Road and Garin Road. In fact, the property that I'll be listing here is on Garin Road. And look at this. You can see all these deers. You see that? How beautiful. I mean, you're really in the nature here. How nice. So, heavily wooded, deer in the neighborhood. We're not going to bother them, but just wanted to give you a general idea of what to expect here.